piece of jalapeno and mad blood clot. You 20 getting blamed about mad you. What are you going to do about a blood clot jalapeno? What you going to do when you buy a blood clot? When you buy a blood clot Tesla? Get your fuck off of this shit house. I'll move your blood clot. Are the car mad there? Is the car mad in you? Okay. If you guys don't pick blood clot problem with people and call people, you will not get views. If you don't call, Coco work my rock, my car I did not sell my pussy feet. Coco, I work hard for my car, I did not sell my crutches, sorry, dirty girl. I kept the pink in my pussy and go and work. You know your pussy come. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down, lady P, calm down. Don't make Coco dry out. Calm blood clot down. Calm down. Business lady, hard working lady that not selling